在讲的时候，这边还有一个
啊，好嘞。
嗯，
好了，停这边的，就这样，站起来。我在前面啊，可以站在前面，可以。Action! Hi guys, this is Candy. It's nice to see you here.
Hello everyone, this is Samantha and welcome to QTP channel.
Yes, and I believe that you guys have found that there are some new equipment in our simple room, and we finished the test and the assembly last week. So today we will mainly talk about the log splitter, as you can see. And Samantha, the first part is showed by Samantha. She will introduce some basic structure and features of this equipment. And I will show you some related things such as the package and after-sales service later. So now let's start it. So welcome, Samantha.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our channel. This is Tripeak, and this is Samantha. And today I don't remember the several times, and we have this live on Alibaba Facebook and YouTube channel. So thanks for your following, and thanks for our fellows and to follow us for such a long time. And if you have some good ideas or meaningful suggestions during our live, and we would like to be open-minded to get some good ideas from you. So welcome you to join us and to enjoy this live. And I think you have already known this new item have showed in our live, and it is 4-tone electric log splitters that's by Tripeak. And I think for this kind of electric power tools, and it is used for homage over the forestry fields in your different local markets. And maybe some of you are very familiar with this kind of products. It is very normal and common power tools in your daily life. And I think, and as electric power tools, it is not very familiar or seen as the manual splitters in your daily life. And I think, and it saves a lot of your time and energy to make some different tools into the pieces, like the cutting or different shapes into the pieces like that. And for the 4-tone electric log splitter that have already showed in this live, and it is with 1,500 watt motor, and also it belongs to the DC brushless, and with the hydraulic pump and supply the 7.5 amp motor, supply the 4-tone logging splitters. And after that, and you may want to know the whole operations on these 4-tone log splitters. I think, and before the operations, I want to talk about some data or something just simple and common specifications on this model. And for this live, and we show you that is by Tripeak, and model number is QTP5553, and with 1,500 watt motor and supply the 7.5 amp hydraulic pump, and also with the 16.75 amp to supply your splitting very well. And after that, and there is with the 6-inch inflated wells to give you a better support of these 4-tone electric log splitters. And also it is belong to the two-handle operation system, so it could be protect your safety and when you are during your different operating process. And after that, and you can see there is with the 3 metal plates, and we call that the wedges. It could be protect all the splitting woods and just prevent them from rolling away and during your operations. And for these 5 inches wedge and with the 25 degrees to help you to make the wood into the pieces, and very powerful, and with the splitting length on that, and it could be supplied with the 14-inch length and 10-inch in diameter, and into the wood into the pieces and splitting them well. And with the 20-second circle time to make your splitting time and very short, and the recycle cleaners could help you to automatically return the splitting well and after your splittings. So, and after this, and I want to give you the 8 words about these electric log splitters and during your different operation process. The first one that is spacious, and you can see the length of these log splitters. It's nearly 39 inches in length, and for the splitting capacity on that is 4 ton, and also with the 15 length and also 10 inches in diameter to support your splitting very well. And you can see we prepare some short or longer wood pieces and into these log splitters, so you can see you maybe have a clear views about the length on that. The second one I want to talk about that is powerful with the 7.5 amp motor supply 1,500 watts for the splittings with a very powerful, and also it is with 16.75 Mach amp to supply you with a 20-second cleaner circle time to save a lot of time and energy. It could be splitted with 120 pieces logs in per hour. So I think it is really helpful. And the third one that I want to talk about that is easy to use, and you can see it is belong to the two-hand operation system, and you may use your right hand to make the button and another one to put the hydraulic handlebars to protect there is no injuries in your operations. And the fourth that is accurate. I think and there is no gas and no carbon dioxide emissions, and also with the no maintenance for the gas problem, and such as you may start the engine and at a cold temperature or clogged with the carburetors again and in such a bad conditions. And the next one I want to talk about with the portable. And you could see, and there is with the 2 pieces 6-inch inflated wheels, and also with the handled rubber handled, and just under these metal plates that could be mounted to your transportation as well. And I think you need to transport these electric power tools and from one place to another place during your different operation process. So it is really easy for you when you do that and in your daily work. And the last one I want to talk about that is versatile, I think, and maybe you could see some of the different versions of electric log splitters in our website, and some are with the 4-ton or some with the 7-ton log capacities on that. And we could supply the 39 inches supporting frame and mount it on these log splitters to help save your lower back energy. And I think if you need that, that's okay, and your choice is the best thing. And for the last one I want to talk about, that is the safety guard. And you can see there is the different collections about the 4-ton electric log splitters that just showed on our website. And some of them are just the same as this model that we have already showed in our lab. And some of them just with some safety guard and like the metal frames and with the different cutting pieces into that. And it belongs to the new CE regulations in safety testing or safety examinations. So if you are selling this kind of electric power tools in EU markets, the safety guard is a must action, and you should choose and also add that and into your selling method and to your different customers. But if you are not in that market, it is not necessary for you to make that. I think it could be a competitive method for you to do the selling and into different areas and also with a different product trend. And after all of that, I think you may have a clear or full views about the simple and common issues on these 4-ton electric power tools. I think it is really small, yes, definitely, but it's big and powerful, and especially for the farm owners or owners, or most importantly for some firewood owners, or you maybe have some small pieces of wood and businesses. That is really suitable for your selling and for your local market. And maybe some of you are just a avid campers and want to make the wood into the pieces and in your fireplace, or just hang out with your families and in the cold summer nights, and you may need this kind of electric power tools to help you make form and also make all the different woods, and no matter it is seasoned or grained or soft or hardest and into that pieces. So, and the next part, and I will show you the operations of this log splitter. And you could see there is the key, the length of that is 1.6 meters, and with the charging plug. And for this model, we'll show you in our live, it is in the European charging plug. So, and if you are just in the American market or in any countries of the world, and would like to supply the accurate charging plug and for your local market. And now, and I just mentioned it belongs to the electric power equipment, so it is no worry for you to think about to add any fuel or the gas or something else like that. So you only need the movement of outlet or just a generator with you, and you could be get a full electricity. And now, and we have connected with the electricity, and I think in your daily operations, and you may need the safety hat or cap or something like the gloves, like that. And we also prepare some the earrings or with the electric power tools and protect the operators in that. So, and let me show you. Maybe in this view, and you could see that clearly. Hi, this is Samantha. Welcome to QTP channel. And today we are just talking about 4-tone electric power tools. It is electric log splitters operation process for all of you. So if you are just coming, and welcome you are visiting, and please keep following, and we will talk about more for you guys. And if you also interested in the other items and which we have already showed on our website, and you could send your comments online, or maybe send us your inquiry, or send your email, or just leave your comments, or transfer the product link directly to me, and we will give you more details on that. Okay, first of all, and I make this hardwood and into that. Let me find some pieces for it. Okay, and I just show you the first part, and if your wood and just shorter than these longers, or just shorter than this distance of the splitting, and please make sure and you prepare some of the pieces of the plate or something else just to give the wood into the fixed time. And then just use your right hand to make the start button, and the left hand just there is, I will show you into another directions for you have a clear views on the hydraulic cylinder handle. So, and I just mentioned that it belongs to the two-hand operation system. So let's get started. Okay, and you can see that, and I just take a few minutes for me to make these wood and into these pieces. It is really lovely and quickly. So let's show you again. Okay, for this one that will be bigger, and I have mentioned the dimensions of these splittings before. And for the length, it is 15 inches, and for the diameter, that is 10 inches. It is enough for your daily work. Okay, let's go. Okay, and it is with the automatically splitting recycle time, so it saves a lot of time and your energy. let me change a longer one. And you may, in your different usage conditions, and some woods like this, and maybe soft or toughest, or with the knotted on that, that's okay. This one is much smaller one. And the same operations, your right hand make the start button, your left hand just with the hydraulic cleaner handle. Let's go. Okay, and I just give you a full views of this cleaner and distance in this lens. So it is really helpful and easy for you to make the wood into different pieces. And then let's see some the grain wood. And you can see I just prepared the two different kinds of wood. The first one that is solid and with seasoned. Another one that is really hardest and also with the grain soft like that. So let's try. Okay, I just change these directions and maybe show you the whole views on that. And there is the hydraulic handles and for you to protect yourself and during the whole process. Okay, I just use a short time of the cycle cleaners, and that's, I mentioned the data before, that is 20-second cycle time and for you to make your wood into the pieces. And you can see that they are belong to the different types of the wood. And for these 4 twin electric splitters, and also give you a good introduce on that. And this one with the knotted, I have mentioned that before, it is no problem for you to use that in your fireplace. And I know that you are located in a different country in the whole world, and there are really different materials of the wood, and maybe that is soft or hard or just seasoned or something green sides, that is okay. So, and let's do that again, and you may know some details more clearly. Okay. Okay, I just mentioned these splitting capacities of this log splitter, that is 120 pieces per hour. So, and no matter the small or some of the biggest wood of that size, it is really helpful for you to cut them into the pieces. And some of the different lengths, and some will be just shorter. And you just add some of the wooden plates to make sure it is fixed both on that. Okay, let me try that again. Yeah, this is not suitable. Okay, you'll be confused about that and why I use this and to protect this the shorter one. It is, to be honest, it is not unnecessary for you to add this part, and but for your time and efficiency working ability. So we use that. Okay, let me do it again. You could see, and it is really different. And when you add something like that, or maybe just a wooden plate and into the square pieces, it will save a lot of energy and the time of this cleaner and just circle time. And if we didn't put that, and I will make that for you. Okay. Okay, and there is no adding wooden plates into this place, so you will see the difference of the energies I just talked about, and also with the different efficiency ability. You could see it takes a lot of time and for this wood and into the shapes that you want, and also and for this one it is much more harder, and also with the knotted on that, so it's just burn out. And when you do that, and please protect yourself very well, and just taking the safety heading cap, and also with the glasses, and also something like the safety guard to protect you well. And then I will show you the safety guard as I mentioned before. And because we didn't assemble this safety guard and on this model, and just it happened occasionally, and just you see that videos just they showed us, if you use some of the hardest wood and also the seasoned, it is much more helpful, or it's better for you to use the safety guard. And you can see and just what happened in this life, and maybe you will be hurt or injured in these situations. Okay, and after that, and I think you will know these electric power tools, and it's really small and simple, and but it is really helpful. So no matter you are a farm owner or gun owner or something like that, and you have a lander in your house, or want to do some of these small firewood businesses, it is really a helpful electric power tools, and in your selling or in your daily usage. So, and if you are still interested in some of the different operations, or maybe just the other log splitting capacities by TreePeak collection, and please send a product link and also send your comments online. And we would like to get your ideas, and I want to change some of the great ideas into come true, and I want to do this growing business very well. And so I think my part will be closed and for a while, and I will invite my partner Candice to talk about some of the package delivery, and also with other details such as this, after sales service or shipment on that. So welcome.
Okay. Thanks for Samantha's wonderful show time, and now it's my part. This is Candice. Nice to see you again. And I believe that you guys have already known the last splitter after the introduction, and now I will repeat. And now I will introduce some related things about this equipment. The first part is the package. Well, it's also one of the most important parts you should focus on when you're purchasing, especially you are the importer or the online seller. And for the log splitter, each item is 8% assembled in one double layer corrected carton, and also with the explosion-proof membrane inside. Well, you should do a simple assembly when you receive the goods, and there will be a paper manual sent to you with the goods to help you. And if there is still any problems with assembly, you can also contact us. We will share you the online instruction and to help you. And for the standard package is the carton with item number and picture to facilitate distinguish. Well, if you want the custom-made design of the cartons, that's no problem, such as print your logo or put the sticker on the package. Well, we can do for you. If you are the online seller, you can send the goods to your clients directly when the goods arrive your warehouse. Well, also, if you want the colorful carton, we can also do the unique one for you according to your request. And the next one is after sales service. And for this equipment, the warranty is 12 months after sold. And if you have any problems, we can replace for you in warranty. Well, actually, the equipment with the strict quality inspection and before the shipment to ensure there is no problem, and they will be living in factory for 1 week after assembly to ensure the oil pump doesn't leak oil, and also the seals are custom made. Well, we will also share the online instruction if you have any problems. So no matter for operating or assembling, please read the manual first to avoid the problems by the improper using. If so, don't forget to share us the photos and videos so we can check and share the online instruction for repair and maintenance in future. And for the accessories, we also suggest that you can order some for better selling and most important is that you can save the transporting cost for just the spare part. And also, if you have any other problems when you're using or the extended the warranty, welcome to contact us. Our customer service is 24 hours online to respond to you quickly. And also now there's someone will ask the lead time. Well, for this equipment, now the lead time is 30 working days. But maybe someone will think that we need this long time to produce the equipment. Actually not. As we all know, Shandong province is the main area to make the log splitter, and our one production line can make the 1,500 pieces log splitter one day. So it's enough production capacity to meet your needs. Just because of it's too popular and it's overbooking now, so the lead time also including the schedule time. Hope you can understand it. And someone may be also interested in sample orders. We also suggest you can wait for the bulk quantity to produce together. The lead time may be shorter. And if you are the importer or the wholesaler, that will be worth to wait. And if you just want to buy for your personal use, I think you should also considering the transporting cost for the sample. It will be expensive and it lose value maybe. So kindly consider it. We will respect all your decisions. It depends on you. And also for the OEM service is welcome, and we can do the such as the color and the other customized design or print your logo on the equipment. Also, as you can see, there is some marks on the equipment, such as the REMI mark and the CE certificate marks, and we can also do the unique mark for you if you have any request. And also, as I mentioned before, the OEM service for package is no problem. Okay, and let's talk about the related things for log splitter. Well, if you are interested, don't hesitate to inquire. And if you are interested in another module, and you can also find more details on our website. And also, if you have any new questions or the comments, you can leave your comments online and we can answer you quickly. And I found that there is some some freshers on Facebook and ask for the basic structure. I will invite Samantha to repeat the basic structure for you again and also share the features for you guys.我放一下那个什么吧，那个基本的那个，因为刚才Facebook 那个没录上，好像。Facebook 前面那段没录上。I found that there are some freshers just coming, and this is Candice. Welcome to TripPic's live show, and we will repeat the basic structure of the equipment and the features of the log splitter right now. And for some freshers, you just missed this part, and if you are interested, don't miss it. 没录上 ，Facebook 前面那个没录上，我看前面那个，但是你那个操作的时候录上。操作的不用再操作了，在操作路上，操作的时候我开，但是前面这个
是一个客人在那问，他说我在。
哦，那行。
Hi, welcome to TripPic channel, and this is Samantha, and just back. We just have checked some comments online, and one of the customer, I think you are from the Brazil, right? But it is not okay for me to speak some Spanish in this line. So, and I will invite our colleague to join me to show you some details on that. 吉，你可以进来，因为那个客人是想看一些细节的东西。
我先分点，然后再走。
And can you just give me some feedback? And there is some technician problems on Facebook, and so I will review some of the basic specifications on this model. And today we are just showing the lock splitters, that is 4-tone lock splittings on this model, and the number that is QTP5553 and by TreatPeak. And for this kind of electric lock splitters, it is with 4-tone electric splittings, and also it's with a 1,500 watt motor to supply your splitting very well, and with the 6 inches inflated wells to support your operating very convenient. And also you could see there is the rubber handle bar just under this mounted metal plate to support your transportations into the during your different jobs. And after that, and please see this part, it is belong to the 45 wedges to splitting your lock splitters very well, and also with the hydraulic pump. And here, yes, and we just give you a full and close views on the different spare parts on that. This is the hydraulic pump, and it could be supplied in 20-second circle time and into your different operations into the splitting. And these 4 inches splitting parts and could be supported your splittings is very efficient and save a lot of energy and time. And this belongs to the hydraulic handlebar, so it belongs to the two-hand operation system. You may use your left hand to push this handle and like that, and just use your left hand and to start with the buttons on this part. Okay, so and this is just the basic specifications on this model that will show you, and with the 4 pieces metal wings to protect your wood and prevent the rolling of weight and during your operations. I think this is a really simple and small electric power tools, but it's really big power, and also could be give you a lot of support and in your fireplace wood or something like the maybe you are just the farm owner or landowner, or especially for someone and want to do the firewood places businesses in your local, it is really helpful. And for the different structures, and you could see there is with 2 metal frames and just to support these lock splittings. And you may just transport these electric power tools from one place to another place. It is really helpful, and also it's easy for your transportations between the different jobs. And for the lock splitting capacities on that, the length from the 5 to 15 inches and the 2 to 10 inches diameter to support your splitting mount. And also with the attachment, we call that the supporting frame could be mounted on this lock splitter, and the height that will be 39 inches mounted well to save your lower back energy, and that is your choice. And this is just the basic specifications on this model, and maybe you are interested in the other products in TreatPeak collection, and we would like to give you more details, or maybe you just want to let us feature some more products in our life, that's okay. So this is all the details, and also with the different process of the operation that I have already finished and also showed you before. Maybe we will try some the parts, the different wooden pieces into the parts. Facebook 上的可以了吧？就是前面这些最基础的没录完。
对啊，后边全都是
OK，
就是操作的那部分开始。
进入的时候的话可以拖进，然后的时候就变成一个小部分一个小部分的。
劈那个木头不就是演示的那个根六吗？就是你稍微往那一走劈开就行了，不用非得按着。
哦，我知道，因为我前面就做了一个去对比嘛，就是说你放一个的时候那个时候。And now let's operate these lock splitters again, and I will make that slowly for you to have a clear full views on that. and I just used a knotted wood and just with it knotted a lot. It is very hardest and the toughest wood, so it is no problem for you. So let's try that again. So you see, it is really easily and quickly for you to split the different firewood into the pieces. Okay, let's change the smaller one. You could see, and it is just use a short circle time and to make the cylinder automatically just go back to the operating positions. Okay, it's finished. And you may worry about some wood like this. It is really small, and to be honest, the diameter of the wood it should be 10 inches. So there is no worries for you to use that into the bigger one. And because I'm just in the building office, it is really difficult for me to find so many different shapes into the different firewood. So and just show you the smaller one, and it is really easy for me to cut that into the pieces. Okay, and I think until now you may know all details about these 4-tone electric log splitters just to show our life. And for the package and also the other details, Candice have give you full information. I saw some comments or want to have the more details on this machine, and we will show you the video or some of the other details pictures online. And once we finish this live, if you want to check some of the process of operatings and welcome your comments, we will show you more details. I think for now I will conclude the informations about these 4-tone electric log splitters. It is with a 1,500 watt motor and also with 7.5 amp log splitting capacities and 16.78 watts, and also with a 1 motor to supply your splittings and very efficiency and very well. And it could help you save a lot of time and make your splitting. It is really effortlessly, I think. And after that, and for the 6 inches inflated wheels and also with the rubber handled bars to help you to transportations very easily and between your jobs. For the mounting supporting frames, and it is an attachment for your choice. If you need that, it could be added. If no, that's okay. And also we supply the safety guard for all the European market products. So if you are in this field, and the safety guard is a must action. And for the hydraulic pump and with the hydraulic cylinders, it is 6 square inches meters in length, and also could supply you the 45 degrees to have your splitting very sharp. And also with the 4 inches splitting flat bowl, and with the other short distance, and could be reback and circle and very easily. And for the package, it is by cotton, and some of you maybe need the color for or something like your logo or something else like that. That's okay. So, and this is our live for today's electric log splitter. And we want to show you the different models of all the TP collections. And no matter you are an avid camper or just the landowners, and maybe you just want to give your families and just at the summer cold night to have a fireplace to hang out, it is really good helpful for you as you choose these electric power tools. And so, and there are so many product link and with the description box. So if you are interested in that, please click the product link. And if you want to let us feature all the different products, and please let us know. And also, and we want to know your idea about and what you think about our life. And we want to be growing very well and during this working process. And now I will invite my partner Candice to join me and to talk about something else. Then we will close today's live.
Okay, here Ken is back, and thanks for your watching today. And I think it's nearly the end of the March spring purchase season. And if you still have any interesting item in trip pick, don't hesitate to contact us. And as a reliable supplier, we're always waiting to serve you, and we would like to give you the exclusive item and also help you to find the item machine and all the time. So you have your confidence to buy from us and always trust us. And for the next live show, we will have the evaluation of the electric hand trolley QTP5553, and we will show you the speed lot test of the speed lot capacity or other things maybe you are interested. So if you just looking for the electric hand trolley, don't miss it.
Okay, so that's all for today, and thanks for watching Trip Peak channel, and I hope you enjoyed this moment with us. And if more products you are interested in, and please send us the comments or click the product link, and you will get the best price and service. So hope to see you on every Tuesday and Thursday morning at 8 a.m. on Alibaba Facebook and YouTube channel. So hope to see you every time. And just hearing some fresher, we will close our live, and maybe you could have some reviews about what we are talking about today. So keep following. See you next time.
See you. Bye.
Bye.